So good evening everyone. So now we are in this PPT we are going to discuss about gauges like plug gauges and ring gauges. Already we people know that plug gauges which can be employed for to check the shafts. Okay, sorry, holes. Okay, so these gauges are using to check hole many different shapes and sizes. These plug gauges are straightly cylindrical hole, tapered, threaded, square and spindled holes, and standard plug gauges used to test nominal sizes of a cylindrical hole, and double-ended limit plug gauges used to test the limit sizes. At one end of it has plug minimum limit size the go end, and the other end plug of maximum limit is no go gauge. So these ends are detachable from handle so that they may renewed separately when worn in a progressive limit gauges. Already we discussed about go gauges that will be manufactured for minimum limit, and no go gauges is manufactured for maximum limit of the component. Okay, and also mainly it is used to check the cylindrical hole. Okay, so this is the go gauge. Okay, so here this hole has to be going to be checked over here. So here it may be the component only one handed one, sometimes the double handed. So here no go gauge is fixed, this will be no go gauge. Okay, alternately they're going to check with the go gauge, it will be goes inside, no go gauge it should not go inside. And here the progressive type. So this limit gauges, it go gauge always placed in the front, no go gauge it will be placed in the back of the no go gauge. Okay, why? Because of go gauge it will be goes inside, no go gauge it should not go inside. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, this plug gauges, okay, it's not going to measure the dimensions, but within the which the particular limit the component lies or not, that only it will be going to check. This gauges main function is only used to check the component lies within which limit or not. It's not going to check the exact dimension of the component. Okay, so in the mass production times these gauges are used over here. Okay, even while checking this, does not require any skilled operator. Okay, if it may be a skilled operator means automatically the cost it may to provide the labor it more. Okay, for in those gauges using, once it will be goes inside, it does not go inside, those concepts they should remember, then only is enough. Okay, so that operating these gauges, they are not does not require any skilled labor over here. Okay, this is about the plug gauges. Then comes into the ring gauges. Ring gauges also, it's similar to same like this one only, but ring gauges is used to check the shafts. Okay, ring gauges are used to test the actually to test the external diameter. They allow shafts to be checked accurately since they embrace to hold the surfaces. Ring gauges, however, embrace expressive manufacture and therefore find limit use. So moreover, the ring gauges are not suitable for measuring journals in the middle sections of shaft. Okay, a common type of standard ring gauges, limit ring gauge and go and no go gauge as shown in the figure. Okay, and normally this ring gauges is going to check the external surface of the shaft. Okay, it's not possible to check any inside diameter. Okay, only external. So this also it can be used to measure only the this one, what the component it will be lies within which limit or not. Okay, even here also it is not going to check any dimensions over the exact dimensions. Okay, so then comes into the next thing, snap gauges. The already we discussed the snap gauges is used to check the this one only the squareness as well as the length, width, breadth of the particular component. It will be depends. It may be adjustable, means everything it can be going to check with the single snap gauge itself. Okay, so here are some different types of snap gauges they will be provided. See over here, go gauge they will be providing over here, no go gauge inside. Same like go gauge is over here, no go gauge is comes. Even the component it will goes both the go gauge and no go gauge at a time. Directly you can reject the component. There is no other opinion. It should not comes to mind. Okay, directly you can reject the component over there. Okay, so this mainly it can be employed for to check the length, width, breadth of the components. And this snap gauges, uh, uh, that's it. Okay, the ring gauges only it's going to check the shafts. Okay, so this is about the plug gauges and the ring gauges as well as snap gauges. So plug gauges for to check the whole system, ring gauges to check the shaft system, snap gauges is the surfaces. Okay, so this is the point should have to remember over. Thank you.